And what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple breakfast recipe. It's so easy, so fast to make this breakfast and so yummy. So let's get to cooking. So first off, I have my bowl here. I'm going to crack my 2 eggs in. Going to add my bowl, then my second egg. There goes my second egg. Then I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of sugar, just about half a teaspoon of sugar. About a pinch of black pepper. And I'm also using assorted bell peppers, so I'm going to add this in my bowl also. 1 cup milk. Whisk to combine all the ingredients. Add 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. Whisk until well combined. And lastly, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And whisk, combine. So my batter is ready and I'm making egg crepes with vegetables in it. Yeah, so fun. So this is not your ordinary crepes. I've just added a little bit of twist to it. So now it's time to cook. Move over to the stove top and on medium flame add some cooking oil. Scoop out your butter and add in the pan. These crepes are going to be absolutely amazing, trust me. When you notice that your crepe is dry on the bottom, flip. Then let it cook until golden brown. Wow, look at this. It smells so amazing, guys. So my first pancake is ready. Wow, look at that. You make sure you spread the butter evenly. Flip. My crepes are ready and they're looking amazing and smelling so good. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, share with a friend, and also don't forget to click the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload my video. So thank you so much guys for watching, and catch you on my next episode. Bye.